Over the last few years, it's safe to say that AI has taken over YouTube and social media. From AI deepfakes,
have I ever told you the story of the magical pistachio?
To AI voiceovers,
I want to know if this is the number for Barack Obama.
It's pronounced Obama, Donald.
even to YouTubers making a whole AI version of themselves.
Here's a watermelon under a press. Watch closely. Will it burst?
Whilst these examples are quite extreme, there's other ways that you can use AI more subtly to help speed up the growth of your YouTube channel and lower the time it takes for you to make YouTube videos. So what are these 7 quick ways, and how will these AI techniques help you to grow your YouTube channel? Let's get into it. Firstly, one of the quickest ways is by using Gemini or ChatGPT to generate alternative and more optimized titles. Just paste in your current title or your video idea and ask it to generate you 10 different alternatives. And you can tell it to focus on a certain target audience, tell it to make it more clickbaity, and so on. This will help you make your titles more optimized and also give you some great alternatives to change to if one isn't performing well. Secondly, you can use AI to generate several shorts or TikToks in minutes. This can be done on a software called Opus Clip. This software takes your long form video, picks out the best parts, and then captions it, ready to be released as a short. You can also get it to include B-roll too. This may not come out as the most engaging short with fancy animations and sound effects, but the fact that you can generate this amount of short form content in seconds that could get you tens of thousands of views is quite astonishing. Thirdly, one of the longest and most important processes in making video content is script writing, especially in educational content and talking head videos like you're watching now. But now you can use AI in many different ways to improve scripts or completely write them from scratch. Once again, go into ChatGPT or Gemini, input your video idea, and explain in your prompt exactly how you want the script to be. What type of channel is it for? What's your target audience? What is your title? And so on. Almost as if you're giving this instruction to another human. It will then start forming your script. This will be rough around the edges and it will come back to you fairly basic, with cheesy lines and maybe some inaccuracies. But then you can build on this by telling it different adjustments, or even pasting in some research for it to incorporate. In minutes, you should be able to get your script to a point where it only needs a bit of tweaking and maybe some structural changes, turning potentially hours worth of writing into a 5 to 10 minute process. This AI technique can also be used with video descriptions. Just ask it to take the best keywords from the script to make an optimized description. You could even ask it to come up with tags as well from the script, taking even more time away from your process. Having an optimized and keyword-rich description can be really helpful for your discoverability, especially when YouTube doesn't know much about you and your channel yet.
Who the fuck is that guy?
The fifth way AI can help is cutting out a background from a video without a green screen. I used to do this a lot in my old videos, as you can see here. Aside from a few mask glitches, it looks really good, and it means you don't have to sit in front of a green screen or spend hours in After Effects masking yourself out. You do this by going on CapCut's online editor and go to the free AI background remover section and just upload your video here. Just use this feature, change the background to a solid green, and then export it. Then all you have to do in your software is color key out the green. AI can also drastically improve your audio quality too, making quite shoddy audio crystal clear. If you have Adobe Premiere Pro, you can just use the inbuilt enhanced speech feature and select the strength that is needed and sounds best. Or if you use another editing software, you can just go on Adobe Podcast, which is a free software online that does the same thing. And the seventh and final way is generating video ideas that work, but not on ChatGPT or Gemini this time, on vidIQ. The free browser extension vidIQ now has an inbuilt AI. This is great because it can analyze your channel and then suggest you video ideas based on your videos and your niche. It can also generate you a title, description and tags along with the idea too, in seconds. And you can just keep clicking regenerate to get more and more ideas. Also, if you go on a video in your niche, vidIQ has a feature where it can generate you 3 similar ideas for your channel. So making use of all of these features when you're really struggling for ideas could be a lifesaver. Whilst using all these AI techniques will save you a lot of time and hopefully help you grow your channel a lot faster, make sure that you use it sparingly. A massive factor that grows your YouTube channel and your YouTube career is your personality and your connection with your audience. So don't sacrifice your videos being unique and authentic just to be more efficient. If you want to see more personally how I grew my old channel from 0 to 1,000 subscribers, watch this video right here.